16 countries, 280 teams assembled from all over the world for the battle of the best. But they were all robots. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. China rolled out with a 3-day-long World Humanoid Robot Games event in Beijing, where different talented teams from all over the world participated to show off tech and AI abilities. Most of the teams came from the United States, Germany, and Brazil, with 192 representing universities and 88 from private enterprises such as China's Unitree and Fourier Intelligence. The games which they were to play included sports such as track and field and table tennis. Some were also designed to tackle robot-specific challenges, from sorting medicine and handling materials to cleaning services. The main idea of the event was to collect data for practical robot applications. One attendee said, "We come here to play and to win, but we're also interested in research. You can test a lot of interesting new and exciting approaches in this contest. If we try something and it doesn't work, we lose the game. That's sad, but it is better than investing a lot of money in a product which failed." Another explained the importance of such events. People paid $17 to $80 to see humanoids crash into each other and topple over repeatedly during football matches, and then collapsing mid-sprint during running events. While some robots needed human assistance to even stand, many managed to right themselves independently, earning applause from audiences. This provides information how the robots can work together in an assembly line, or they can be manufactured to do some factory work as well. China's not backing down from investing billions of dollars in humanoids and robotics, as the country grapples with an aging population and growing competition with the US over advanced technologies. This event was surely an exciting one. Would you like to attend this in the future? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.